One machine I'll start with and just kind of give you a little walkthrough. This is a gantry loader. So this is a twin spindle forward-facing lathe. So these are machines that we're doing a lot of high volume production work on. So you would load up material on one stocker table, the gantry arm is grabbing it, loading spindle 1, flipping the part over, loading spindle 2, and then dropping off finish work on the outbound.
I don't think I've ever seen motion with automation this fast.
Right,
ever.
And these are big parts. And these can be configured a lot of different ways. So we can configure these depending on the cycle time and what the customer's needs are. This could also be an op-10 operation.
Sure.
Where you're picking up raw material and dropping off finished goods on the same stocker on each side.
Oh, so it doesn't necessarily need to go from one side to the other.
It doesn't have to be a complete flow
It's
process.
endlessly customizable.
Absolutely.
And this actually is an Okuma native product.
Yes,
This
yeah.
is not brought in. This is something you guys developed yourselves.
Correct.
I've actually never seen, and maybe I'm just ignorant, I've never seen a forward-facing lathe tool, let alone a dual spindle one before in my life.
Yeah, so this is great for chucker work. You have a stocker table, you can see the lift going down. So there's photo eyes that's looking. When the gantry picks the part up, it lifts that table and will index to the next part. As soon as it realizes it reached its limit, it drops down, indexes over to the next part.
And when those things are loaded up with parts, I mean, you could fit, that one there, you could fit 10 or 15 of them in a stack. That's heavy, and this thing does not care. And I'm sure if you wanted to, you could stack as many of these together as you wanted.
Yeah, we have many lines that have anywhere from 4 to 8 machines underneath a multiple setup of gantries that tie in gauging stations, wash stations, part marking, things like that.
You almost don't need the person anymore with a machine like this.
Right, and that's kind of the goal, is let the people do the smart processes that add value to their work life. Let the automation do the menial tasks.
It's all about, everybody says it's going to take jobs. In my opinion, it's not taking jobs, it's just freeing people away from the dumb work. You can have guys doing programming. You can have one guy running 3 of these and another 2 guys getting you more work,
right,
or doing maintenance. It really does help free it up.